At first glance, these look like just toy cars. But wait, this is not how most people play with car models. These alloy cars aren't just sitting on shelves. They're racing through imagination, creativity, and pure passion. Every detail matters: the shine, the wheels, the weight in hand. For some, it's a hobby. For others, it's childhood coming back to life.
No screens.
No rules. Just pure joy, one car at a time. Who knew toy cars could be this addictive? Automobile fire. Would you play like this?